Rainy season can be beautiful, but it's important to remember that wet conditions bring a whole new set of safety concerns. Whether you're driving, walking, or spending time outdoors, here are 10 essential tips to keep you safe and comfortable during the rain. Don't face the elements unprepared. A good rain jacket, waterproof shoes, and a reliable umbrella are your first lines of defense against getting soaked. If you're driving, take extra time for a pre-drive inspection. Make sure your tires have good tread, your windshield wipers are in top shape, and your headlights and taillights are working properly. Wet roads equal reduced traction. Slow down, increase following distances, and avoid any distractions while driving. Hydroplaning happens when your tires lose contact with the road due to water. If it starts, ease off the gas, steer straight, and avoid braking until you regain traction. It's not just about seeing, it's about being seen. Using your headlights in the rain dramatically improves visibility for everyone on the road. Pedestrians and cyclists are even more vulnerable in the rain. Be extra cautious, give them plenty of space, and use your horn if visibility is truly poor. It might look harmless, but standing water can be deeper than it appears and can hide hazards. Avoid driving through flooded areas and never underestimate the power of moving water. Keep tabs on the weather forecast, especially if you're planning outdoor activities. Be prepared for changing conditions. Just like distracted driving is dangerous, so is distracted walking. Keep your eyes on your surroundings, especially near busy roadways. Sometimes, the safest option is to simply stay inside. If the rain is particularly heavy or there's a risk of severe weather, consider postponing your plans.